2021 installation year. The site is a south-facing steep hillside located in a vacant field. The initial installation involved over 1,000 lavender plants, which were established by transporting a custom soil formula delivered by truckload to the flat field area at the base of the hill. From there, it was hand-carried up the hill using bucket loads and a small wagon attached to an ATV. Francesca shared progress photos with Gigi throughout the installation, and on this occasion, Gigi cheered them and replied, "Only you could turn lavender farming into an extreme sport." Francesca and Gil, James Russell Gill III, and Dr. Francesca Conte, both champion athletes and owners of Bad to the Bone, a race production business, embraced this challenge with an athletic mindset. Bad to the Bone organizes various events ranging from 5K road races to marathons and even 100K trail ultra races. Their dynamic approach as new lavender farmers was inspired by their commitment to conquering obstacles, much like they do in their racing endeavors. The hybrid plants selected were award-winning varieties from breeder Peace-Tree Farm, with recommendations from their consultant Gigi de Lugo, owner of Gigi's Lavender Nursery in Nashville. Phenomenal Trademark Lavender was the pioneering member of a generational series of hybrid lavenders that have demonstrated exceptional resilience in the challenging conditions of the southern regions. These hybrids effectively manage the high humidity and heavy rainfall that have previously led to the failure of many other species in the South.